I do believe, even though we are growing at 7.5%, our real potential is to add 1.5% to that. Now, that real potential depends on a lot of variables, some within our control, some outside our control, but that's our optimal ability, and that's a target which we intend to reach.
What do you need to do to implement and get that, grab that 1.5%?
I think domestically, one of the factors which pulled down our growth rate significantly this year was 2 continuous years of less than normal monsoon. It not only impacts on agricultural growth, it also impacts on the purchasing power of 55% of our population. So that's one factor. Therefore, we need to invest.
You can't really do much about that, sir.
No, we can. We need to invest a lot more into irrigation. And that's what we intend to do. Therefore, our investments, whatever we save from oil and from other expenditure, plus whatever is our additional revenue, we need to concentrate on physical infrastructure, irrigation, and social infrastructure. We concentrate on these 3 factors, plus carry on the structural reform process in India. I think we can benefit out of otherwise a depressing, gloomy environment.
You agree it's depressing and gloomy, and we'll come to the gloomy bit in just a moment. But the positive side, how much benefit do you think the Indian economy is gaining as a result of this lower oil price?
We are gaining a benefit in two circumstances. One, we've been able to rationalize our subsidies. Petrol, diesel is linked to the market. We've done a lot of domestic reforms in cooking gas and other areas, and other reforms with regard to subsidy will carry on. So in terms of subsidy, we've saved a lot of money. And whatever we've gained from falling oil prices, we've partly passed the benefit to the consumer and partly to the exchequer, which in turn goes into infrastructure creation, rural roads and national highways.
How much of GDP do you think you can claim on that? 1.5%?
I think we can eventually go up to that.